Hello, how are you today?
Hi,
I'm good, thank you.
how about you?
I'm great, thanks. Can you tell me a bit about yourself?
Sure. I am Jack.
I work as an artist. I like my job because it's interesting.
That's nice. What do you do in your free time?
In my free time, I enjoy reading books. I like stories about adventures in different places.
Oh, that sounds fun. Do you have a favorite book?
Yes, my favorite book is Harry Potter. It's a story about magic school.
Sounds interesting. Besides reading, do you have any other hobbies?
Yes, I also like taking pictures. I have a camera and I enjoy capturing moments. Nature and city landscapes are my favorite subjects.
That's cool. Anything else you'd like to share about yourself?
Well, I also love spending time with my family. We often have movie nights or go for walks together.
That sounds lovely. It was nice to know more about you.
Thank you.
I enjoyed sharing a bit about myself. How about you?
What do you like to do in your free time?